Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of autonomous farming equipment. Imagine a world where tractors drive themselves, drones monitor crops from the sky, and robots harvest fruits and vegetables. It's not science fiction, this is the future of agriculture, and it's happening right now. Picture this. You're a farmer, but instead of spending hours behind the wheel of a tractor, you're sipping lemonade while a self-driving tractor does all the work. These tractors use GPS, sensors, and smart software to navigate fields, plant seeds, and avoid obstacles, all without a driver. Companies like John Deere and CNH Industrial are already rolling these out to farms around the globe. Now let's talk about autonomous drones. These drones are heavy-duty workhorses, like having a whole team of crop scouts in the sky. They can survey entire fields in a fraction of the time it would take a human and spot signs of disease or stress in crops way before we ever could with the naked eye. They can also apply pesticides and fertilizers with incredible precision, ensuring every drop goes exactly where it's needed. Harvesting crops is tough work, but robotic harvesters are stepping in to lend a helping hand. These mechanical marvels use advanced computer vision and machine learning to identify ripe produce, pluck it gently from the vine, and sort it with incredible accuracy. Smart Weed Management Systems Terminator 4 Weeds. Remember the days of dousing entire fields with herbicides? Those days are fading fast. Machines like the Neodino use AI and sensors to differentiate between valuable crops and pesky weeds, targeting those weeds with pinpoint accuracy. Increased efficiency farming at warp speed. Autonomous farming equipment boosts efficiency to a whole new level. These machines don't need breaks, don't get tired, and work around the clock, getting the job done faster and more accurately than a whole crew of humans ever could. Reduced labor costs, saving money, not jobs. Autonomous equipment might be the solution farmers have been waiting for. These machines aren't meant to replace human workers entirely. They're here to help fill the gaps, taking on repetitive and labor-intensive tasks so that farmers can focus on the bigger picture. Sustainability. Farming with the planet in mind. By using precision techniques, autonomous equipment helps reduce waste, conserve resources, and minimize environmental impact. Drones and smart sprayers target weeds with laser precision, using fewer herbicides than traditional methods. Enhanced data collection. The brains behind the operation. Autonomous farming equipment constantly collects valuable data about soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. Farmers can use this data to make more informed decisions about everything from planting to harvesting. High costs. The price of progress. Autonomous farming equipment is expensive, not just the initial cost but also maintenance, software updates, and tech support. For larger farms, investing in this technology might be a no-brainer, but for smaller operations, it can be a tough pill to swallow. Connectivity issues. Bridging the digital divide. High-tech farming tools need a strong and reliable internet connection, a major challenge in many rural areas. Without it, these machines can't communicate with each other or with the farmers who rely on them. Skill gaps. Learning the ropes. Operating and maintaining autonomous farming equipment requires new skills, and farmers need access to the right training and resources to make the most of this technology. Ethical concerns. The human side of technology. The goal of autonomous farming equipment shouldn't be to replace human workers entirely, but to create a more collaborative environment where humans and machines work together. So, what do you think about autonomous farming equipment? Are we ready for this high-tech future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of agri-tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.